Louis Vuitton, commonly referred as Louis Vuitton or shortened to LV, is a French fashion house and retail luxury company founded in 1854 by Louis Vuitton. The label's LV monogram appears on most of its product, ranging from luxury trunks to leather good to ready-to-wear shoes, watches, jewelry, accessory, sunglasses, and books. When Louis Vuitton, born August 4th, 1821, was 7 years old, he traveled by foot from his home to Paris, about 300 miles. He arrived in his mid-teens, and about 3 years later, at the age of 16 years old, is where he began working in manufacturing packing boxes. Years later, he had become very acknowledged for his prestigious work. For the next 20 years, Vuitton continued to operate in innovating high-quality luxury luggage until he died on February 27th of 1892. At the age of 70, Louis Vuitton brand would go into the world's renowned leather and lifestyle brand that it remains today. In 1893, George's son, Louis, began his campaign to make the company into a worldwide corporation. In 1936, the golden age of the Louis Vuitton ends as Georges passes away. Estimates attributes Georges Vuitton with over 700 new Vuitton designs. The mission of the LVMH group is to represent the most refined qualities of the Western art de vivre around the world, meaning the art of living, although this is not their vision statement. They do, with their stakeholders, own the 5 missions. Their 5 priorities reflect the fundamental values. 1, be creative and innovative. 2, aim for product excellence. 3, bolster the image of our brands with passionate determination. 4, act as entrepreneurs. And 5, strive to be the best in all we do. Popularly known with the name LV for their brand and equity, they hold over 11,700 employees. Their revenue is estimated at over $27.4 billion as of May 2016, and they were at $26 billion in 2012. For 6 consecutive years, they have been the most valuable brand in the luxury segment globally. It has been ranked the 19th number in the Forbes list of the world's most valuable brand. International business. Louis Vuitton has been closely associated with various celebrities from different fields of positions, itself superior to its competitors, such as Hermes, Gucci, Chanel, Product, are some of the brands that compete with Louis Vuitton. They have been known to have people such as Angelina Jolie, Bomo, and Will Smith's son, Jaden, to be their ambassadors or brand ambassadors. In 1978, they opened their first store in Japan, actually 2, Tokyo and Osaka. In 1984, they expanded to Asia by opening their first store in Korea. In 1987, Moet Chandon, a manufacturer of champagne, and Hennessy, a manufacturer of brandy, merged with Louis Vuitton to form LVMH. They are partially owned by Christian Dior, and Bernard Arnault is the chairman CEO of both companies. In 1992, the first store in China opened at the Palace Hotel in Beijing. Marketing. Sales did decline in Japan, global economic crisis and recession. Also, the important shifts in the consumer attitudes. There are increasing popularity of counterfeit goods made all across the world of the high-end luxury brand. Therefore, members can find this for a lot less expensive, but it would be more so of a knockoff version. Louis Vuitton has been successful in emerging as one of the best luxury brands. However, people are still able to counterfeit the goods and the image and sell them for a lot less. Corporate responsibility in philanthropy. Be respectful, passionate on expertise, being supportive, making a commitment. There are growing consciousness expressed by the employees, the partners, and the customers that the business should be transparent, behave ethically, and have a positive impact on the world around them, and responds to the approach of these high standards. By making it their core focus, they have built a corporate social responsibility approach founded on consideration and respect for all. Stakeholders. Each of LVMH's 6 business groups is unique. They are united and share their view of social responsibility, and they have key priorities which have been tested over the past few years. Social trends and development, such as working lives, interracial social responsibility issues, recruiting and retaining talented individuals, preserving and passing on how to know strategic skills, managing innovation. They also want business groups particularly affected with their stakeholders throughout the years. They fostered a dialogue and relationship with its stakeholders. They answer any questions. Once their employees are made aware of the kept informed of the issues such as social media pages or diversity, their website and voice intranets. Because social responsibility is a vital part of anyone's job within Louis Vuitton, all newly hired members are systematically receive training in customer service and implementation as the role it plays through their introduction seminar and online session. They want to create social trends. They want to make sure that they are characterizing each group. They want to make sure that every single person treats someone with respect and are well knowledged. Louis Vuitton was named the world's most valuable luxury brand, and the value is expected a revenue of $9.4 billion plus yearly. The company operates in 50 countries with more than 460 stores worldwide.